something very, very different. Fantastic journey altogether. But साहब ने बहुत साल पहले कहा, talent can be to the credibility of the film is actually under illusion, really open to all.
Hello, hi.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to Box Office India, Manoj sir and Sandeep sir. How are you feeling today?
Good, thank you. We're feeling excited actually. Tomorrow is 26th and
Yeah.
a gem of a film, a part of us is going to be streaming from tomorrow on Sony Live. So yeah, it's quite an exciting. We are not nervous, let me tell you. We are not nervous because we know that people are going to love it because it has done so well internationally. It has gotten us so much acclaim, and also it's not a theater release. So
Yeah.
you guys are not going to judge it on the basis of the box office recovery. So yeah.
Yeah. That's good, that's good. Actually, that's great. So my first question is to you, Manoj sir. You have always, kind of played these very spectacularly amazing different roles, which is not a surprise to us. Like, we knew if you're on screen, we are going to see something new. So what would you say when, were working on this film was the most demanding part?
The most demanding part was to find a producer. Believe me, 5 years back, when Ashish Makhija and me, we started out looking for producers. I was going in every corner of the industry, and every time people read the script, somehow they got scared that there is a topic which might offend a segment of people. But we were very clear about our intention. Our intention was not to hurt or sensationalize or titillate. Our intention was to show the journey of this old retired police guy in Maharashtra, in this city, in this big city, who's leading a lonely life, and how he gets embroiled or gets pulled into this whole chaos which is happening in the backdrop. So yes, it was a fantastic journey altogether. To find the producer. And to find the performance of, to find the character.
Well, the trailer looks interesting, and I think Sandeep sir has invested in a very good project. Also, coming to you, so when you're looking at a project, like you're deciding you want to invest into it, what is the one thing, or what are the major points that you look and decide that, okay, I want to invest in this project?
So one thing about, it's only like my earlier films also, which I've done Anarkali in the last few years, it's only about story. It's not about the big star cast. It's not about it's about a story. If you invest in story, it will pay you. Some stories may not pay you immediately, but the credibility which this film has given us, and thanks to Manoj, because he's the one who got me last minute for this film. So I always look out for different stories, and for me, story is the thing to invest.
Okay, great. That's great. Also, so when I was reading about this film, I read the whole journey that it had to take. That you advised Devashish to, make a short film on a constable's life to prove that this story would work, and then you finally found a producer. So, how would you sum up this whole journey from back when this idea came up and now it's releasing on Sony Live finally?
I think for Devashish and Miraj, who's the writer on the film, for them it's like running a marathon, and for me it's like running a half marathon, 4-5 years of really waiting and making this film. And today, I'm getting so much international acclaim and best actor at Asia Pacific coming to streaming. It's kind of a it all sounds very surreal for us, I never thought that I will succeed in finding money for this. I never thought that, but which work I take up, and somehow it was the stubbornness of my personality that saw me through. But also, I thank all the producers, including Sandeep Kapoor, who's come last minute to complete the film. That this whole thing became possible.
Nice, that's good. Also, as you mentioned earlier, the film was supposed to release in theaters, but due to the pandemic, it couldn't. and now it's getting a release on OTT. So does that affect you a little? Like, does that change something, like with the release, the excitement, or how the audience will be reacting? Does that change for you?
I'm not. Ananya, let me tell you one thing.
Yeah.
No small or independent film has ever gotten the respect in theaters, the respect they deserve. This is only because the focus is more on the big budget films, the heavy star-studded films, the big box office spinner, all of that. And in that kind of a crowd, we don't get variety at all. Somehow we try to sneak in. We don't get the right number of shows. We didn't get the right shows. Then if we have to release, the producers have to pay for the release and the promotion. All of that is saved for us. When we dropped the trailer, people started spreading it. It has become viral now. It has become so trending, so much tracking going on, and people are spreading the news. People are spreading about this. They are writing about. While we are busy talking to you guys, people are doing their own stuff. Because there's somewhere they think that there's something worthwhile which is there to look forward to. So tomorrow is going to be the day when we will be partying. And finally, the dream which we've seen together 5 years back. There was Sheesh and me.
Yeah.
And then later on, Sandeep and all of us, that dream is becoming true. It's coming true. And the independent films, get so much of the respect on OTT, which is quite impossible in theater in the cinema.
That's true. Would you like to add something to this, sir, Sandeep sir?
No, I would like to add that when we started this, Devashish was doing this story from last 8-9 years. He started this in 2011. He was looking for producers, but a lot of producers ran away because of the concept of the story. They were a little afraid. We are talking about two community, local migrants, so they might have a problem. Koi peet na de, koi maar na de. You know how it happens. So finally, in 2014, he approached Manoj and Manoj took only 1 day to approve. And Devashish was also surprised that Manoj has given a go ahead on 1 day. So the entire journey has been on from last 2013-14 and 2015-2017 in this short film called Tandav. So I think we got a full justice to film when Manoj won the award, Best Screen Award in Australia. I think we were very happy, and this film will be screened all over the world. We got a lot of happiness.
Yeah.
And Sony Live did a wonderful job. The trailer which they have made is trending now. So that's it. I'm thankful to everybody, and I have this thing that everybody will watch it and they will like it for sure.
Yeah, I hope, like, seeing the trailer, I think everyone would love this topic because it's something which is very relevant right now. Also, Manoj sir, when you're playing a role which is much older than your own age, like a little older, much older, do you think that's some kind of...
Much older? Why little older? You think I'm...
No, which is little older, much older. So, does that, like, is this... A lot of actors have said that becomes a really difficult part, like, to play someone you're not, like, play an age that you're not. So, was that difficult for you as well?
Internalizing the part is the most difficult thing. Aging and giving it all the exterior stuff, aspect to adding all the exterior aspect to the character is it comes secondary, but it's far more in terms of effort. It's far more easier than really getting the elements, internal elements of the character. Really getting into the brain, the soul of the character is something very, very difficult. No matter even if I am of the age of say Ganpat Rao Bhosle, the character that I'm playing, it's very difficult. Internalizing, getting into the skin of the character, trying to find all those small nuances from life is quite impossible. At times, it really seems impossible. But as you keep on making effort, you keep on knocking on your own limitation. It down, try to find some new space, new ways of doing it. So, age has nothing to do with playing character, with the performance. It's always about getting the right essence of the character.
True.
That's very,
Yeah.
very important.
Well, I think you will do a great job as usual, and I'm pretty excited for this film. Also, once if the film has released, like your film has released already in a lot of international film festivals, so does that kind of help a theater release, and in this case an OTT release, like does that boost it because it has got so much recognition already? So does that help?
That's an added advantage. That's an added advantage if the platform people and the team, when they're watching a film, they know that this film has gone to so many prestigious film festivals, it has gotten so many awards. So that is there, playing in their mind. It adds to the credibility of the film. But at the end of the day, whoever the group that is watching, we should really connect.
True.
Be it with the OTT platform team or any corporate house team or any person, it has to connect with them, with their reality, with their experience. Once it does that, then they start thinking about taking it or not taking it. Then they decide among themselves whether it fits into their strategy or not. But in this case, I must tell you, I really commend Saugata, head of Sony Live, for really going ahead and grabbing the film from us. So it's
Yeah.
we really
And promoted it so well.
Yeah. We were so grateful to them, and promo that they have got is done the trick. Okay, it's the moment we dropped it. Everyone is talking about it in media above our expectations.
Yeah. So as a producer, what would you add to this? Like, because
What
that
do
the
I-
film has already released on film festivals and now it's releasing. How is that boosting?
Yeah, the film is released, you're right, but it has given us a lot of advantage in terms of confidence. It has given us a lot of confidence to promote movies like this, even in future also, and the kind of response we have got and the kind of response we are getting on OTT. These kind of films, I think, should be for OTT because there you have an audience which is day one worldwide. So I think OTT has given us. We are very thankful to Sony once again. I'm saying that OTT is a good platform for these kind.
Okay. Also, sir, this insider-outsider debate, this is relevant everywhere. I think you know where this is headed. I am sorry, I have to ask this question. It's a very relevant question right now, and we would like to know both of your opinions, not just you, sir, both of your opinions. This, as a person from UP, I have also felt this insider-outsider. Somewhere I've heard about it, I've felt it somewhere, and it is in the industry also. So, and the debate after Sushant's death, of course, has raised a lot. So, what?
You guys,
Yeah.
really squeezed me out. When I'm out for the promotion of Bhosle. Thank you for asking so many questions on Bhosle. Most of the people are only asking one question or two questions on Bhosle. The rest of the things are only about insider, outsider, and nepotism. I'm very tired of it because I've said it so many times. Insider, outsider. Who is insider? Today, let me start with this. Who is insider? In an industry, who is insider? Who does it belong to? Who does it belong to? I think it belongs to everyone. This is a Hindi film industry, right? So it belongs to anyone who dreams of becoming a creative person or a director or writer or editor or a sound guy. It belongs to everyone. Whoever claims that it belongs to that lobby is actually under illusion.
Yeah.
It's a complete illusion. It's better that you stop thinking that way and make it really open to all the talents. Talent can be so-called insiders, so-called outsiders. Talent can come anywhere. मुझे किसी भट्ट साहब ने बहुत साल पहले कहा था, महेश भट्ट साहब ने कि मनोज यार टैलेंट किसी की बहुत ही नहीं है, वो कहीं भी पैदा हो सकता है. Okay? I completely believe in that. And talent should be respected, talent should be welcomed, and they should be encouraged and mentored. If you're not giving them a chance, it's all right. Be nice to them, be welcoming, respect them.
Want to add something to it?
Yes,
जैसा है।
बचाइए।
Because I think I will tell you why I asked this question. I know I've been told not to, but I asked this question because the loss was very personal. Like, I talked to a lot of people and everyone was like, I wasn't very involved in this, but then when I heard that Sushant suicided, I felt like a personal loss. Like, a lot of people around me felt like a personal loss, and you were one of those actors who actually, I felt like you did feel a loss as yourself. So that's why I asked this question, and thank you for answering that.
Sometimes it's always nice to leave the family, and the people around to mourn in silence, and that's why I'm not talking about it.
That's a great decision, sir. Thank you so much for answering regardless, and good luck for the film. I hope it does great, and thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Ananya. Thank you. Lovely talking.
Bye-bye.
Do watch the film.
Sure, absolutely. Thank you so much.
यूपी वाली हो जरूर देखना.
हाँ, जरूर देखूंगी सर. Thank you so much.
Thank you.